So come along with me and let's do a little bit of an eat with me, cook with me video. So I'm gonna start off the day by having a smoothie. I have decided that I'm gonna do a strawberry banana smoothie. So I'm gonna do some frozen strawberries, half of a frozen banana, like a cup of spinach, almond milk, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of chia seed and flaxseed for some fiber. So come along with me and let's make a smoothie together.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
It's pretty good. It looks like this. Very, very cold because I used frozen strawberries and banana, so that's a tip. If you want a little bit more of that like smoothie, thicker texture to your smoothie, use like a frozen fruit or like a frozen banana, frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, and you'll get that better texture. I'm gonna enjoy this smoothie. Cheers, and I'll see you guys for lunch. Hey y'all, welcome back. So a little bit of change of plans. I actually had some oatmeal and a protein bar. They are from Aldi and they're pretty good, so that's what I ate for lunch, and I actually didn't video that, sorry. I'm gonna cook a nice, healthy, and very yummy supper, so come along with me and let's do some cooking. What I'm thinking is I'm thinking of doing some tilapia, some fish, on the stove with a little butter, salt, and pepper. And then I'm gonna do some brown rice on the stove. And then I'm thinking of cooking some carrots. Protein bar, but I haven't had a ton of like veggies today or protein. So I'm gonna do fish, carrots, and then I'm gonna do my brown rice. I am still having to do my FODMAP diet. So if you guys haven't watched my video, it talks a little bit about my ER experience. I go into detail about some of the dieting that I had to do, and I had to meet with a nutritionist and dietitian and everything. So I'm eating gluten-free, dairy-free. There's just a lot of things that I'm having to cut out right now. And then I'll have to slowly add back in after like 6 weeks and see how my body reacts to it. And let's cook up my rice and of course my tilapia.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
So this is my tilapia. I'm kind of starting to get into fish because of my diet and things and having a limit in terms of what I can and cannot eat. Fish is the better way to go, and it's healthier for my stomach, healthier for my body, and it just makes me not feel as full.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love?
I'll start up my fish and show you how I cook my tilapia.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
All right, so my rice is done and my carrots are done. So now I'm just waiting on my fish to finish cooking. It's probably got 1-2 more minutes left. So I'm gonna plate those up and you guys can come along with me.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper here. Okay. This is my tilapia.
Stay here together. If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
I do have a little candle going right here. I just thought it was a little festive, kind of fun, and also it helps with like the fishy smell in my apartment. So this is what I got, and it looks delicious. I'm so ready to eat. taste. Carrots are delicious. And this fish is just like falling apart. I know you guys probably can't see this, but it's pretty good. Bite of rice. It's good, guys. It's really good. So the thing that I wanted to say is that you don't need to be a chef. You don't need to be a professional cook to cook your own meals at home. And it doesn't have to take that much time. Like, I was doing a lot of other things while I was cooking. Like, basically my rice cooked for 30 minutes and I didn't even have to like deal with my carrots and tilapia until about 30 minutes into it. Then I popped both of those, popped my carrots in the microwave and put my tilapia on the stove with a little seasoning, and that was it. Like, I didn't have to like sit there and watch it continuously. Like, I just could check in on it and I could be doing other things. So it really wasn't that difficult. Pretty simple, but yet a very, very, very healthy meal. And I'm just having some water in my little Be Sweet mug. Comment down below some of your favorite meals that you made or what you made along with me. I'd love to hear what you guys are making at home. So I'm gonna finish this and you finish your supper as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and did a cooking along with me. Till next time, it's a beautiful day to simplify, and I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one.